The internet is rapidly developing, and so are the opportunities. Email is a critical component of the internet. Every day, we use several email services such as Gmail, Yahoo, and Hotmail for personal and business purposes. But did you ever believe that there is a way to get money by reading emails on the internet? It may seem unrealistic, but email reading jobs are available on the internet and suitable for those who want to earn substantial and stable money every day. It is one of the simplest jobs, with which you may easily earn $100 to $250 each month with no work. Stick with the video till the end. I will explain to you step by step how you can earn a stable income by just reading emails. Before moving with the video, consider hitting the subscribe button for daily videos on how to earn money online. Now without further ado, let's dive into the video. So I want you to head over to this website called paidtoreademails.com. You will be able to make money by reading emails, as the name implies. However, it is not as straightforward as you may assume. When making money by reading emails, there are a few things to keep in mind. Keep watching the video till the end if you seriously want to earn money by reading emails. On your screen, you can see this website's homepage. It's only a 3-step procedure to start earning with this website. Make an account on this site by signing up, read the emails that will be sent to your email ID, and boom, you have made money. You should definitely try this platform as you will be getting daily emails, which means you will be earning daily. They have a quick payment processing. They will transfer all your money within 24 hours, which is really good. The threshold value of this site is only $15, which is very easy to achieve. You will also be getting $3 as a sign-up bonus. You can also earn money by taking surveys, but I want you to focus only on paid emails, as you will be making more money from reading emails, and you will not require to spend a lot of time on reading. If you want to earn money from surveys, you can check out my videos. I will provide videos link in my description box. To sign up on this platform is really easy. Just fill in your details like first name, your email address, choose a password and click on sign up. After you have signed up successfully, you will notice that $3 as a sign-up bonus will be credited to your account. On your screen, you can see my account dashboard. Here you can see they are telling you to wishlist their email address because email provider probably uses some type of overzealous filtering. That's why they ask you to add them to your trusted list of senders, contacts, or addresses book. All also known as whitelisting. If you don't want to lose their emails in your spam folder, then it's necessary to add them to your trusted sender. They have explained step by step how to add them to your trusted contacts for every email service provider. You can read and follow them. You will not find any difficulty in doing so. Now I will get back to my homepage. If I scroll down, you can see they offer many options to earn money. You can earn money by taking surveys, cash offers, and paid emails. I want you to focus on the paid email option. I will click on the paid email option, and a new window will open. Here you can see I have 2 emails in my inbox. I will just go to my Gmail account and will open the mail that I received from this platform. The mail will look something like this. I will click on confirm this paid email and boom, money will get credited into my account. The account that I am showing you right now is my dummy account, which I have made only for this video. That's why I am getting fewer mails. But as your account will get older, you will be receiving dozens of mail in just 5 minutes. So make sure to stay consistent and patient on this platform and give around 1 month if you want to see great results. Just make sure you have added this platform to your favorite list in your email contacts. You can follow these steps to add them to your contact list so that their mails do not end up in your spam box. So guys, that was everything about earning money by reading emails. Reading emails is an excellent way to kickstart your money-making journey online. If you want to know about more earning methods, you can click the videos that will be showing on your screen. Hit like, share and subscribe for more such videos. I will meet you with another video.